Okay, so what you wanna do, go to your browser, search for DDL files, select download missing DDL files for free. After that, search for OpenGL 32, click enter. From here, you wanna download this file, OpenGL32.dll, select it, scroll down. Now as you can see here, you can find all the download links. The most important thing to focus on is the architecture right here, either 64 or 32. So make sure to download it based on your PC preferences. For me, I have 64 bits, so click download. After it was downloaded successfully right here. So now what you want to do is go to the search bar, type downloads. From here, you want to open the downloads folder. You want to open the folder we just downloaded, which is this zip file. This is the file that we need. Go to the search bar and type File Explorer. Go to this PC, go to the C drive, go to Program Files. After that, search for Java. After selecting Java, from here you will find all the Java versions, so make sure to select the latest one, which is this one. After that, select bin, and we just need to drag and drop OpenGL32 file into this folder. Make sure to click continue. Now make sure to close all the tabs, restart your PC, and then try to launch Minecraft again, and your problem should be fixed. Make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next one.